How to enable or disable secret messages in Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Messenger. Now go to the chat you want to create a secret conversation. Now tap on the info icon. Now tap on go to secret conversation. Now to disable it, tap on the info icon. Scroll down a bit. Tap on the three dots. Tap on delete conversation. Now tap on delete. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.